Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to add hearing button in control center on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the control center, then tap. Then after that, in the control center, scroll down again and go to more controls, then find the hearing. And as you will see, there's a positive sign located on the side of it. Then all you have to do is just tap until it appears on the included controls. And if you want to check it, if it is already in your control center, just drag down the right side of your screen. And as you will see that the hearing button is already in your control center. And that's it. We have successfully added hearing button in control center on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.